Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Aulia here, and you are walking with the walkers. I do videos on motherhood, health and fitness, and family vlogging. If that's something that interests you, then definitely stick around. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome, and thank you so much for stopping in. Over here on my channel, you will get my raw, realistic day-to-day life as a work from home, stay-at-home mom and wife, and a few workout videos along the way, because I feel like our mental health is very much connected to our physical health. So I hope you guys enjoy. You guys, so I don't feel like I've showed you guys much of my food, or like what we eat and like how we normally eat. Not much of it. You've seen some of it, but today, on this particular day, we made broccoli, spinach, rice, and then some salmon. So we made salmon bowls with some Korean barbecue sauce on top of it, sprinkled on top of it, and it is so good. It was so absolutely delicious. It's super fibrous, and then the salmon, I just diced up the salmon. I diced the salmon up in cubes, and then I put some olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, and I cooked that up, and then I used rice wine vinegar for my rice, and I just steamed our broccoli, and I just cooked up our spinach, and yeah, it was absolutely delicious. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this is the next day, and this is probably maybe a Sunday or something, and we are trying to get outside to go on a walk. And right now, I figured I'll just use my time to make some water-infused fruit and just keep it pushing from there, because it takes my family. We're snails. We are snails. We'll be like, oh, let's get outside. Let's go for a walk. Let's do this. Let's do that. And then next thing you know, it'll be like 2 p.m. and we're like, wait, where did the time go? Not saying that you can't walk at any time, but the day just flies by. The day just flies by. And so it's like pulling. We don't drink water like this all the time, but literally Ray grabbed so much fruit when he came home the other day, and he was thinking of doing this with some of the fruit, even snacking on the fruit. So it's like, why not sometimes drink your water? We plan on going on a family walk later today. We're just trying to get out of the house. The kids just ate breakfast. Yeah, you guys. So like I just said, we are trying to get outside, and we are just trying to do better. Trying to do better as a family, trying to get back outside, more outside. As you guys know, my husband, he travels a lot for work and everything. And so as a family, we're like, yo, we need to make more of a point of getting outside. And look at it. Look at us. It was pulling teeth, pulling teeth. We are just trying to get out. We are just trying to get out, okay? We had the TV on at one point in time, and I was like, why do we have the TV on? And RJ sitting there stuck. Okay, he was stuck. My 6-year-old was stuck on the TV. So I'm like, okay, turn the TV off. We get the TV off, and we are finally getting on our way out the door. Okay, RJ's getting his jacket on. I'm getting my purse. The dog is ready. Thor is ready. The man, he's patiently waiting on us. When we used to travel, oh my gosh, we used to travel when the kids were younger. We used to travel with my husband on like work trips and stuff like that all the time, and he would be like, I love it, it's everything, but he'd be like, yo, sometimes it was pretty stressful, because I would come with a lot. Like, they were little, like I had to entertain them while we were in the hotel room. They go swimming all the time or whatever, but I definitely had to make sure that they were entertained, and I was like taking care of them, and it wasn't too stressful for me either. I wasn't taking like everything but the kitchen sink, but they did need diapers and wipes and like all that good stuff. Anyway, here go Thor. So yeah, we finally made it outside and to the park. RJ showing me his helmet, and he's pretty reluctant to get on his bike, because he actually was at the neighbor's house, and they have a big hill in their backyard. And so, not thinking, because he's a kid, he just kind of just went down the hill, and obviously went way too fast and everything. And so daddy was just there telling him like to be brave, and was encouraging him that like he can do it. Look at my crow, you guys. They are so cute. Look at my so cute. But anyway, yeah, we would just want to build his confidence back up, and like make him feel and know that like we have his back. If you fall, we've got your back, you know what I mean? So there goes Aria flying. Okay, she's confident with riding her bike. She actually kind of taught herself how to ride her bike, which was so amazing to see, really. Like, she's my first, and as we go along this journey, it's just like amazing to see how children are just resilient and can just teach themselves things, you know. But there goes RJ and Daddy, just he's just walking along with him, taking it slow, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna enjoy this walk, and I will see you guys in a minute.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game.
Yeah, you guys, so earlier in the week we wanted to actually go to Kroger because we wanted to pick up some ice cream, and we wanted to pick up like a big vase to put like some water inside with some infused fruit. And so yes, here we are at Kroger, and Kroger likes to take all of our money, as does Sam's and Costco. Not to shout them out like that, but everything is so expensive. But yeah, we were trying to look for some ice cream because Ray's thinking about making some sort of like ice cream bread or something like that. Ice cream bread cake. I will explain that to you guys a little bit later because it'll be coming up right after this, and it's interesting. It's interesting, and I will give you the real of how it turned out. Okay, the real of how it turned out, like legit how it turned out, because it was interesting. Okay, now I think my mic is on. But we just got back from the store, and I marinated some chicken. When we came in, I marinated some chicken. So I could grab that from out of the refrigerator right now. And I'm going to put some aluminum foil on this pan. And I'm making teriyaki bowl. And like I said, when I first came in, I marinated some chicken. And we pick up our teriyaki Japanese barbecue sauce from, not teriyaki chicken's barbecue, Japanese barbecue sauce. Got this from Costco. It's really good. We're not making teriyaki chicken, we're making Japanese barbecue chicken. So grabbing this chicken out. And then this is boneless. Oh, perfect. I thought there was gonna be bone in. But this is boneless chicken. There's just some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning, stuff like that. And so this is boneless. So as soon as I put this inside of the oven, I'll be able to cook it up, and then it's gonna like obviously fall apart, and I'll just chop it up. I'm gonna steam up some broccoli and some green beans with this. Ray's upstairs showing the kids pictures of when he was younger, when he had his six-pack, and the kids are literally upstairs. Oh my God, is this you? And it's just so crazy, like how time goes by and you just don't even realize how much time goes by and how quickly. And then like before you know it, you're showing your kids the old you, and they're genuinely like, you know, to see their faces. It's just so cute. But it's really nice to also be like, as a family unit, wanting to get better health-wise and like where we eat and stuff like that. So really proud of my husband. I'm just like happy that, and I love that he is who he is, and I'm happy that I married such an amazing man, such an amazing person. You know, he's awesome. He really is. He's really awesome. So I'm going to put this in the oven, baby. And that's it.
I wish I knew.
So Ray plans on making some sort of dessert that, like, we saw like a video or something, and he plans on making a dessert that includes 2 ingredients. Okay, 2 ingredients. That's all I tell you for right now, because I don't know if it's gonna work. It's gonna be, it's gonna be like, I think it's supposed to be like a dessert for tonight, somewhat of a dessert, but we will see. 2 ingredients. I'll show you guys how we make it and everything like that, and then I'll let you guys know how it tastes after we taste it, and like for real how it tastes. But when we start making it, you're gonna be like, I'm just gonna tell you, we're using ice cream and self-rising flour. Those are the 2 ingredients that we're using: ice cream and self-rising flour. So we'll see if this actually, and it's supposed to be a bread. It's supposed to be put them in the pan, put them in the pot, mix it together, put it inside of a loaf pan, and you put it in the oven. You bake it up on 350 for I don't know how long, but until it looks like it's done. And then on the video, the guy cut into it and it looked delicious. It looks mad good. So we're gonna ice cream. We got some Edie's ice cream. He got like a caramel delight and then like regular vanilla bean. And in the vanilla bean, he plans on putting blueberries inside of the ice cream. He has like a love affair with like blueberries. He absolutely loves blueberries. So in stuff, like I won't eat them plain. Not that I've seen, but yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. Now look at my daughter, you guys. Like, she is my kitchen scavenger. My okay, you know what? She is my taste tester. She is my taste tester. Look at her. I'm asking her to bring me something because she stays in the kitchen watching me cook and everything like that, which I absolutely love. Sometimes high key, it's like, please just give mommy a second, just 5 seconds, please. But I love her so much, and I'm trying to show you guys how the teriyaki or how the Japanese barbecue chicken turned out. As Ray is whipping the cake bread up. But look at that chicken. Oh, so good. It was so good. And it just falls apart. And, you know, as you see, the steam is just still piping hot off of it. Yeah, and I just chopped it up after it was done. I think I let it cook for like at least 2 hours, an hour and a half. I don't know. My husband be like, you be overcooking. Look at this. That looks so good, and it tasted really good.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame.
Alexa, stop.
How much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Shut up.
Baby,
Shut up.
no, hey, back up. Paper towel.
Really?
RJ,
Get a paper towel.
grab the paper towel.
Maybe half of that one though. You
Nah.
think? Yeah, because you know him.
You know who?
You.
Who?
You.
Who?
You.
Who?
You.
Who?
Stop it.
Who?
All right, go get your bread. Stop hanging around. My son really plays too much. But yeah, you guys, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And like I said, I will give you the real on how this bread really did taste for real. I thought personally, straight out of the oven, it was really good. Like, it was tasty. It wasn't really sweet. It was actually not as sweet as we thought it was going to be. So I did think that it tasted really well, really good, straight from out of the oven. But let me keep it real, because at the end of the day, the next day, we put it in like a paper bag to try and preserve it. But anyway, the next day, no one went back for that bread. No one, not a single one of us went back for that bread. Or maybe my daughter had a couple of pieces, but for real, I don't know if we forgot about it or what, but we didn't go back to the bread. Like, it didn't leave us like wanting more, but it was yummy. And I think it's like a same day eat type of dish. Like, it's not a comeback for it. But anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I thank you so much for just being interested. If you stayed here this long, thank you so much, and give me a thumbs up, and please comment and just say that you like my content. I appreciate you.